Thanks for tuning in with Tild. We're going to be going through our hosted merchant checkout and how to generate a one-time payment link in this video. If you want to keep up with Tild, you can always follow us on our social medias on LinkedIn and Twitter, or subscribe to this YouTube channel for more walkthrough videos. Now we're going to go over to our Payments tab. This is where you're going to be able to see your current payments along with your current outbound transfers. We're going to go over to our new payment link. You should get two options, one for a one-time generated payment link and one to enter in a manual payment. We're going to do the one-time payment link for this example, and once it pulls up, you're going to be able to see a couple of different sections. The first one being different payment options. You can toggle whichever ones are relevant for you and your customer. The following part is your description, where you can enter in the name of your goods or service, and your customer will be able to view that later in the checkout flow. The final section we have here is the amount, and please note that you won't be able to click on the Generate Payment Link button until all information is filled out. We're going to charge our customer $30 for the goods. You can see that we now have our one-time payment link, and there are two ways for you to copy that to your clipboard. You can either click on the actual link itself or click on the button at the bottom of the pop-up. You can share this with your customer in any way you'd like, from email to text messaging. If you'd like to preview this screen, you can just copy and paste that link into any web browser. In our screen, you can now see the name of your business at the top, along with the description of the goods and the cost. And depending on what payment options you selected previously, those will show up down here. We currently selected both, so you can see a debit and credit option along with a bank account information option. However, if you only selected one of them, then only that one will show up. So to recap, our business, Cobra Kai, is charging our customer, Bobby Snack, $30 for the goods. And this is the view that our customer would have after you send them the one-time payment link. At this point, the customer would enter in all relevant payment information along with their email address, and they won't be able to click the pay button and go to the receipt until everything has been filled out correctly. At this point, the customer will be able to view their own receipt for this purchase. It will include all relevant payment information, along with giving the customer the option to save this PDF to their personal computer. They can save it by either pressing Command-P on Mac or Control-S on Windows. This link will expire after 3 days. If you are a software developer who wants to integrate this functionality into your own application, make sure to check out our Tild developer documentation. Our hosted checkout feature is one of the fastest and easiest ways to add payments into your platform. If you have any other questions about using Tild or want more information about Tild, you can always visit our partner and merchant help centers or email us at support@tild.com. You can also call us at 877-279-0010 between 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern Time from Monday to Friday. We've also posted our social media links in the description below, and make sure to connect with us on LinkedIn and Twitter. You can also check out our YouTube channel for other walkthrough videos and to catch up with the latest with Tild.